Hello everyone, I am Holiday for Class 3A. Today I want to share is change in me. My name is Holiday. I am 8 years old. Throughout these years, I have changed a lot. 4 years ago, I was short. I was 100 cm. Now I am tall. I am 113 cm. 4 years ago, I was tall. Now I am fat. I am 13 kg. 4 years ago, I was lazy. Now I am still lazy. I can sleep all the day. 4 years ago, my favorite subject is PE. Now my favorite subject is music. I like singing. 4 years ago, I played with my sister in free time. Now we all sing together free time. This is the end of my sharing. Thank you. Bye bye.